You've heard of Wooting, you've heard of Corsair, but what if I told you there's a hidden gem in the world of Hall effect keyboards that costs just $99, feels premium, and might actually surprise you? From ClickClack.io and Kochi, Hummingbird68 comes in at $99 fully assembled, and yes, that does include everything. Inside the box, you'll find the Hummingbird68 itself, carried in this nice traveling case, Kochi's magnetic Elven Blink linear switches that are pre-installed, PCB stabilizers, so that is very nice to see, a USB Type-C cable, and a pre-installed keycap set. The board is machined from a single block of aluminum, making modding a breeze. It has diamond cut lines and a smooth anodized finish, far better than what you usually get at this price. It comes in 5 colorways, and the one I have here is the Onyx colorway. The weight helps it feel solid in the hands, though not as heavy as more premium customs, and there's a nice engraved Hummingbird logo on the back. The chamfered edges feel good in the hand, but I did struggle to grasp it when taking it out of its case. Just some minor things to keep note of if you plan on traveling with this keyboard. The switches are Kochi's in-house Elven Blink Hall effect switches, which are linear, lightly pre-lubed, with an actuation range from 0.1mm all the way to 4mm. These are snappy, somewhat smooth, and feel noticeably faster than traditional mechanical switches. They bottom out around 50 grams, so the weight is not an issue either. The only downside is they are slightly scratchy and have some spring twang, but the PE foam does help muffle it out, so it is not as noticeable, at least in the sound department. The keycaps are thankfully double-shot PBT cherry profile, and while the font is clean, the legends could have used more attention to detail when it comes to sizing, as some letters are a little bit bigger than others, especially on the modifier keys. Typing on this keyboard feels tight. The case has zero flex, so I would not recommend it to those who want a keyboard with some flex to it. It comes with an aluminum plate, IXPE foam, plate foam, case foam, and has a south-facing PCB. The mounting style is unfortunately tray-mounted, which is definitely the biggest flaw of this keyboard, as it creates pressure points that can change how certain areas of the keyboard sounds the closer you get to a screw. Here's a quick sound test so you guys can hear how it sounds. Alright, what do you guys think? Personally, I describe the profile as muted and a little clacky, with some noticeable twang coming from those switch springs. Where the board really shines though is in fast-paced gaming. The 8000Hz polling rate, adjustable actuation, and nearly instantaneous response makes it feel lightning quick. I tested it across multiple games and got consistent, snappy feedback with zero input lag. Don't believe me? They even have the performance chart to prove its responsiveness on the product page itself. Despite the PCB being south-facing, the RGB performance is still plenty bright. You get over 50 RGB effects, all customizable through Kochi's software. The lighting is bright, smooth, and covers the full spectrum. The software though is pretty plain and unfortunately not web-based, so you do have to download it, but it is very easy to navigate and has everything you need. The only thing missing in this keyboard is wireless capabilities. There is no Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz dongle option, which could be a deal breaker for some. Overall, if you're chasing high-speed Hall effect performance on a budget, this board is a hidden gem. While it is not perfect, and I'm still sad about the mounting style, you're getting Hall effect switches, a very nice CNC aluminum case, a decent typing feel, and solid customization, all for $99. If you're interested in the Hummingbird68, I'll be leaving a link to it in the description, and let me know what you guys think about this keyboard in the comments below. See you in the next one. Peace.